It is regrettable that we so often hear it said that young people get themselves into situations of trouble and difficulty simply because they do not know how to spend their time usefully and happily. Full stop. This is a very poor state of things when we consider for a moment how many useful and pleasurable things there are for us to do today. Full stop. There are many happy ways of passing the time both at home and out of doors. There are things we can do to help ourselves, and equally important or even more important, there are many things we can do to help others. Full stop. When I was growing up, there was no TV, but we had a radio set, and of course we had records. Full stop. There were the old kind of record now known as 78, and one side of a record played for about 2.5 minutes. Full stop. 1 मिनट रुकें जी.
Sir, सुना रही हूँ. It is regrettable that we so often hear it said that young people then into situation and trouble of difficult simply because they do not know how to spend their time usefully and happily. Full stop. There is no very poor,
This is a
sad. Okay, sir. This is a very poor state of now when we consider how many usefully and trouble.
यूजफुली नहीं, यूजफुल नीचे आएगा, यूजफुली ऊपर आएगा, एल उसमें अपवर्ड जाएगा, इसमें एल डाउनवर्ड होगा.
And trouble things.
जी पढ़ें.
जी सर.
Pleasurable.
Trouble things. There are
for us.
Sir.
For us
to do today. Full stop. To do today. Full stop. There are in sorry the word की समझ नहीं आई थी. In
there are many happy.
There are many happy time both
ways
on and just
ways. चलें जी, लिखें आगे लिखें जी. म्यूट कर दें अपने आप को रमीज. When I was growing up, there was no TV, but we had a radio set, and of course we had records. Full stop. These were the old kind of record now known as 78, and one side of a record played for about 2.5 minutes. Full stop. My mother liked all of the family to be at home on Sunday evenings. She did not like us to go out, but we were free to ask to the house any of our friends. Full stop. The number of young people who sat down at table for the evening meal was sometimes 20 and was always more than 12, so we were a large and happy party. Full stop. It became our custom when the meal was at an end to continue to sit round the table for an hour or two while records were played. Full stop. The machine was not of the electric save you trouble kind that we now use, but had a motor that required attention at the end of each side of a record, and of course it played only one record at a time. Full stop. This meant that one of our number had to take on the responsibility of keeping the machine going and putting on the records. Full stop. My mother used to bring home a new record most weekends, so that we had a good many. Full stop. People used to call out for a record they desired to hear, and no one seemed to want to talk while the record was playing, as is done so often now. Full stop. Therefore, we were able to hear the records in peace, and we got to know every detail of them. Full stop and close. जी नोमान पढ़ें.
I was growing up. There was no TV, but we had a radio set, and of course we had record. There were kind of record now known as
Old
78.
क्या पढ़ा?
There were kind of record.
There were the old kind of record. पहला वर्ड भी आपने when I was से स्टार्ट किया था. आपने I was लिखा है, मैंने when I was बोला था. दो आगे पढ़ें जी.
Kind of record now known as 78, and one side of a record played for about 2.5 minutes. My mother liked all of family to be at home on Sunday evening, which did not like was to go out, but we were free to ask to be any
To
of
the
our friends. The number of young people should sat down at table for the evening meal was sometime, and so and so and so
sometimes
was
20
always more than young
and
people.
was
पीछे क्या लगा?
always more than
And was always more than, so we
12.
which and
So
happy party.
so we were
So we were and happy
a
party.
large and happy
It be-
party.
Large and happy party. It became our custom when the meal was at no, at not continue
At an end.
continue and and continue
जी आगे।
continue है
जी जी पढ़ें।
continue to sit running
To sit.
table to sit running table
To
for
sit
a
round.
or to while of records were played machine
पढ़ें जी यहाँ
was
से। रमीज
end
पढ़ें जी।
of the
The machine was not of the electricity save trouble kind that
You.
we know. सर कहाँ पे you?
Save
Save
you.
trouble, save you trouble kind that we now use, but had a motor that required attention at the end of each side of a record, and of course it played only record at the time. This amount that one
This
of
meant.
our
1 मिनट रुकें जी ज़रा। जी पढ़ें जी।
yes sir, this means that one of our member had to take on the responsibility of keep the machine going and putting on the record. My mother chose the
Records.
bring home
जमा है।
records. Sorry sir. Records. My mother chose the brings home a new record must weekend
Most.
so that most weekend so that we had a good a good a good
Many.
लफ्ज़ क्या है? Many, a good many people choose to call out for a record the desire to
उधर भी
hear
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है।
and now one some to wait to want to want to took
To talk
to talk still the record so
while the record
while still
while the record was playing.
While the record was playing.
while the record was playing as is done so often name full stop
Now.
therefore we were now
So
therefore
often now था सर ये open now था
Often. Often.
now
open का open now
मैं
full
अपनी
stop
गलती निकाल रहा था
therefore we were able to hear the record
Records.
hear the records in peace and we get to know every detail of them. सर खत्म हो गया।
Judicial dictation unseen start. Precisely the prosecution story as alleged in FIR Exhibit PD is that the complainant's brother Saeed Ahmed had office of motor dealer where he had employed one Shaukat Mahmood full stop on 7/11/1995. The complainant along with Saeed Ahmed and Shaukat Mahmood had got to Peshawar to sell Suzuki pickup RIR number 7141, but sale could not be done and they returned from Peshawar at about 5 p.m. and came from airport more towards Tipu Road, Rawalpindi, full stop. After a short distance, due to repair of road traffic was blocked, full stop. Saeed Ahmed was driving Suzuki pickup while the complainant and Shaukat Mahmood were sitting on front seat, who stopped the same, and on the rear a carry dabba CD 4280 of light green color also stopped, in which besides driver. There were four young persons, full stop. Two two bearded person out of whom one was of fair color, having height 5.8, of about 30 years, wearing white shalwar kameez, and second brown color, of normal height of about 27/28 years, wearing green shalwar kameez, comma, alighted of carry dabba, who coming forward asking Saeed Ahmad to remove his vehicle or keep his motor one side. Saeed Ahmad responded to be shut up, upon which both the said bearded persons brought him out, fetching from vehicle, gave him slaps and abused. Then they went towards their vehicle, full stop. Saeed Ahmad went to them and asked the reason why they had beaten him without reason while he was president of Suzuki Union. The other two young persons sitting in carry dabba, in which one had brown color and height of 5.7, height of 7 feet, 7 feet, 5 feet 7.7/8 inches, about 28 years, wearing white blue pant shirt, while the other of white color, height 5 feet 8/9 inches, aged aged 28/29 years, wearing grey trousers and green shirt, came out, and they raised lalkara that driver of Suzuki pickup be killed, upon which both bearded persons, bringing out pistols from their respective dubs, starting firing on Saeed Ahmad, hitting him near the right armpit, back, right thigh, right buttock, right arm, and right shoulder, full stop. Saeed Ahmad fell down. Accused persons sitting in their vehicle run away towards Sir Syed Chowk, full stop. The complainant and Shaukat Mahmood witnessed the occurrence and brought the injured to RGH, who after a while succumbed to the injuries, full stop. After due investigation, report under section 173 CRPC was submitted against the appellants accused, full stop. Charge was framed against the appellants accused, who denied the charge, pleaded not guilty, and claimed trial, full stop. To prove the charge, the prosecution produced its evidence, full stop. The appellants accused were examined under section 342 CRPC. In answer to question number 18, Shafkat Masood, accused of the appellant, started as under: local police illegally arrested me in different untraced cases on just unfounded suspicions as a scapegoat because the alleged above occurrence was unwitnessed by anyone. PWs and actual culprits were not traced out and unidentified. Hence, the local police and the investigating officer of the said alleged case on just unfounded suspicion involved me in the instant alleged case without any cogent reason and evidence on basis of false story, full stop. Being this reason, no one PWs identified me and also no any person from locality when alleged occurrence took place. Associate as PW has also identified himself as culprit, full stop. Hence the above referred PWs falsely deposed against me on the above referred uh, against me on the instructions and with collusion of complainant and local police investigating officer just for proving prosecution case and close. सुनाए जी.
Precisely, the prosecution story has alleged in FIR Exhibit PD as that the complainants
Is
are
that
Saeed Ahmed. Is that the complainants are Saeed Ahmed, rather Saeed
complainant's
Ahmed
brother?
had office. Yes, sir. Complainant's father Saeed Ahmed had office of motor dealer where he had one Shaukat Mahmood on 7
Employed.
7/11/1995.
Employed.
Yes, sir. Employed one Shaukat Mahmood on 7/11/1995. He complained along with Saeed Ahmed and Shaukat Mahmood had got to Peshawar
Gone.
to sell Suzuki. Got नहीं sir.
Gone to.
Gone to Peshawar to sell Suzuki pickup
To
RIR
sell.
number 714. To sell Suzuki pickup RIR number 7141. Sale could not
But
be
sale.
done and they but sale could not be done and they returned from Peshawar at about 5 p.m. and came from airport more towards Tipu Road, Rawalpindi, full stop. After a short distance due to readily नहीं ये था R RPR क्या सर
Repair.
due to हाँ जी सर due to repair road traffic was blocked. Saeed Ahmed was
Blocked.
driving blocked. Saeed Ahmed was driving Suzuki pickup while the complainant and Shaukat Mahmood
Shaukat Mahmood.
were yes sir Shaukat Mahmood were side on
Sitting.
sitting on front side to
Front seat.
stop front seat to stop full stop.
Who
It seems
stopped?
क्या है sir?
Who stopped?
Yes sir, to stop.
Who
To
stopped?
It seems who stopped? Who stopped? Who stopped? It seems that
एक मिनट ठहरे.
uh,
जी आगे.
it seems that I rather a Creta 4280 light green color also stopped, in which besides driver there were 4 young persons who stopped. 2 be 4% it of whom one was wearing color finding height 5.8 of about 30 years, wearing white shalwar kameez, and second brown color of normal height of about 27/28 years, wearing green shalwar kameez, alleged to carry dabba, who coming forward asking Saeed Ahmed to remove
Asking
his
नहीं है.
vehicle
Asked.
अच्छा सर asked asked Saeed Ahmed to remove his vehicle or keep him one side. Saeed Ahmed responded to be shut up, shut up, shut up the upon
upon which
upon, upon which both the seat
said
body said bearded persons blue ये था sir brought him out 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 with shipping of vehicle
fetching
fetching of vehicle
fetching
of
from
vehicle
vehicle
caving fetching from vehicle उसके आगे क्या सर keeping him
gave him slaps
slaps and
थप्पड़
abused
मारना
then they yes sir slaps and abused then they went towards their vehicles full stop Saeed Ahmed went to they and asked the reasons why they
Saeed
beaten him
Ahmed
without
went to
went to they and
went
asked
to them
the reasons why मुझे था ये them होगा light लिखा them and asked the reasons why they beaten him without reason without when he was resident
while
of
he was
while he was when he was लिखा हुआ था while he was resident of Suzuki Union they there two young person sitting him carried up in which brown color and height of 5 feet 7/8 inches about 28 years wearing white blue pant shirt while the other of
white blue नहीं, light blue
light blue
light blue
light blue pant yes sir okay sir light blue pant shirt while the other of white color height 5 feet 8/9 inches ages 28/29 years wearing green trousers
green नहीं grey
grey yes sir grey लिखा हुआ है grey trousers green shirt coming out them raised
coming
lalkara
नहीं,
that
came out
them raised lalkara that driver of Saeed pickup the killing be killed upon which both their did persons bring bearded yes sir दाढ़ी वाले bearded both bearded persons bringing out pistols from their ये था सर
respective dubs
respective dubs starting on Saeed Ahmed started on Saeed Ahmed firing Saeed Ahmed hitting him near the right arm pick
आर्म
right
पिट कहते हैं
thigh
आर्म पिट ये जो हमारी आर्म पिट नहीं इसको कहते क्या होता है ये उर्दू में इसको ये ऊपर वाले टांग का ये हिस्सा होता है ये पट जो होता है पट
जैसे जैसा
हाँ जी आर्म पिट
राइट आर्म पिट राइट थाई
बैक कमर पे राइट थाई
बैक राइट थाई उसके बाद है सर राइट
बटक
पटका पता नहीं
बटक
right arm and right shoulder Saeed Ahmed fell down sitting in a vehicle round away accused person round away
ये दोबारा करना है 2-3 दफा नेट से जो है ना अभी अपलोड कर देंगे इसको 2-3 दफा कर लेना accused persons
yes sir accused persons सर मैंने तो आगे लिखा है राउंड अवे टुवर्ड्स
सिटिंग इन देयर व्हीकल रन अवे
सिटिंग इन देयर अच्छा सर ठीक है सर फेल डाउन सिटिंग इन देयर व्हीकल रन अवे टुवर्ड्स सईद वाज कंप्लेनेंट शौकत महमूद सर सैयद चौक कंप्लेनेंट शौकत महमूद
एंड
विटनेस क्या है सर
कंप्लेनेंट एंड शौकत महमूद
and Shaukat Mahmood witnessed the guilt and brought the injury to RS to succumb to the injuries after RGH to succumb to the injuries after due investigation. Report under section
बस जी यहाँ से
173
समारा
CRPC
पड़ेगी।
was. सर यहाँ से तो आसान था।
आसान से तो दे रहा हूँ, ये पहला मुश्किल था ना, ये वाला पहले वाला जी।
Yes, sir.
समारा
नो
पढ़ेंगे?
सर, मुझसे नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा।
कोशिश करो थोड़ी सी, एक दो
सर
वर्ड
मैं
पढ़ो
कर रही थी, पढ़ा जा रहा।
जी। नुमान आप पढ़ेंगे? कोशिश
सर
करेंगे?
मैंने जहाँ से ज्वाइन किया था, एज PW एज आल्सो आइडेंटिफाई हिम एज वेकअप
कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं?
सर जहाँ से आपने ज्वाइन करवाया था।
जहाँ से ज्वाइन करवाया था वो पता नहीं कहाँ से करवाया था। चलें जी, पढ़ें जी। रमीज तारिक पता नहीं कहाँ चला
After
गया
due
था।
investigation,
किधर
after
चले गए
due
थे आप? आपको ये
investigation,
पर जो है मुजम्मिल आवाजें मारता रहा है बार बार।
सर जी मैं तो
मुझे
यहीं पे हूँ, मैं तो कब से सुन रहा हूँ सबका।
पूछो
सर ये
ये,
रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया मुझे, देख लें आप।
रिस्पॉन्स नहीं
सर जी
दिया
मैं तो कब से यहीं पे हूँ, मैं तो सुन रहा था।
पहले।
असल में ना वो सर मेरा, मैं बोल भी रहा था, आंसर भी दे रहा था, मेरा म्यूट हुआ पड़ा था, पता नहीं चला।
चलें जी, पढ़ें आगे।
After due investigation, report under section 178 CRPC was submitted
178
against
कौन
the
सी होती है?
appellant।
173 होती है।
173 थी।
तो पिट पिट है, ये
173
पिट
ऐसी
चीज है। 173 की रिपोर्ट चालान सबमिट होता है।
173 CRPC was submitted against the appellant accused full stop. Charge was framed against the appellant accused who changed charge pleading no guilt claimed
Who denied?
there are sorry who denied लिखा denied है पढ़
ये
के।
2-3
Who
दफा ना
denied
इसकी
charge-
प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, अच्छा
ठीक है,
पैरा है
Yes,
ये।
sir.
Who denied charge pleading no guilt claimed therefore to prove
And
the
claimed
charge
trial.
prosecution
Yes, sir,
produced
guilt
it is evidence full stop.
क्लेम्ड
जी सर।
ट्रायल।
Claim trial था, claim trial to prove the charge prosecution produced it is witness full stop. The appellant
It's
accused
evidence.
were
It's evident.
its evidence. It is नहीं था, it's था।
इट्स एविडेंस था।
Its evidence full stop. The appellants accused were examined under section 342 CRPC. CRPC no question to
इन आंसर टू
answer
क्वेश्चन।
No answer to question.
in
इन
answer
आंसर
in answer to question number 18 SM था।
शफकत
So,
मसूद
Shafkat Mahmood accused Shaukat Mashood accused oblique appellants started his
Stated.
no police local police
Sir,
As
started
under-
लिखवाया था आपने।
started
स्टेटेड
started
Sir, started लिखवाया था आपने।
लिखवा
Started
सकता हूँ
as
मैं।
under।
चलो दोबारा सुन
सर आपने
लेना।
started
Confirm
लिखवाया
सर की
था।
चलो दोबारा सुन लेना।
Started
चलिए सर दोबारा
आगे
सुन लीजिए।
चलो।
Started था, confirm था ये।
legal police legality assistant in different and
Local
interested
police।
लोकल
local
पुलिस।
police
आगे पढ़ें।
local police illegally assist in different
Arrested.
uninterested arrested in
मी
arrested in different arrested me
पढ़ें आगे।
different uninterested case but who is
Untraced.
untraced case but who
Cases.
just cases but
Cases on
just
just.
cases on just unfounded suspicions as
Suspicion है।
suspicions
सस्पिशियंस
as a scribe
स्केपगोट
scapegoat
Case.
because an alleged above occurrence was not witnessed by no one
Unwitnessed.
unwitnessed by no one PWs and
By
and actual
anyone.
by anyone and actual culprits were not traced out and identifies hence the legal identified hence the local police of the investigating
And
officer of
and investigation.
and the investigating officer of the
And
said
the नहीं
alleged
है, खाली and ही है.
and the
and the
चलो
investigating
निकल
officer
भाग
of these of these alleged
said
of
Sad
the
alleged case.
of the said alleged case, but just unfounded
on just
suspicious on just unfounded suspicion
involved
available involved him
me
in the instant alleged involved me in the instant alleged case in
any cogent
without
reason
any cogent reason, but
and
contents of
evidence
and evidence on basis of false story full
Upon
stop
this or on basis, sir?
on
on
basis
basis
on basis
ठीक
of
है सर.
false story full stop. Being this reason, now one PWOs identify my identify
identified
my identified me and also note any person very legality without when alleged occurrence took place associate as PWOs as also identifies himself as culprit full stop. Hence the petition
hence
refer
the above
PW,
referred
Hence the
PWs
above referred
hence the above referred PWs falsely deposed against him
against
on the
me
instant
against me
against me on the instant and when
on the instruction
on the instructions
instructions तो यार on the instructions and when
and
collision
with
of
ये था
complaint
and with
collision
collision of complainant.
with collision of complainant and local police investigating officer just for
proving
Moving
proving
prosecution
prosecution
case.
case.
इसकी दोबारा एक दफ़ा प्रैक्टिस करें ठीक है जी चले आप
ठीक
दोबारा
है
आप
सर.
दोनों जो हैं दोबारा मश्क नंबर 10 दोबारा तैयार करें जी नवान एंड समारा
Okay, sir.
चलिए जाए, नमाज टाइम हो गया, 1
अल्लाह
मिनट है.
हाफिज़
अल्लाह हाफिज.